So, you've made a complete VRoid character, you've optimized your model, removed clipping meshes, and you've checked different animations to preview movements. And now you're ready to start VTubing, but you've got no idea what to do. Hi, my name's Tom Pixel, and I do VRoid and VTubing shenanigans here on this channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can use your complete VRoid model for VTubing in a couple of different programs. I want to mention first, however, that you'll probably need to have a webcam set up already, or use your phone as a camera. Though some VTubing programs don't require a camera, it massively improves facial and lip tracking results. With that out of the way, let's get into the video. And here in VRoid, once you've got a model that you're ready to export, come up to the export as VRM. And here you'll want to untick delete transparent meshes, untick combine hair mesh so it doesn't mess with your hair settings, and then click on export. Fill in all the information, give it all the meta information, and then click on export and just let it do its thing and finish processing. Now you should have your VTuber file here as a VRM. So the first program we'll be looking at is VMagicMirror, and what it does is place your VRM avatar at a keyboard, a mouse, or a gamepad. It animates your avatar's movements to match the keys you type on your keyboard, and the mouse moves around as well. Though it's a simple program, it comes with some unique features, and the full version gives you access to all the features. I'll leave a link for the program in the description down below. So when you boot up VMagicMirror, this is what it will look like. You'll have your config window, and then you'll have a preview window that you can move around. What you do here is you go to load VRM and load file on PC, navigate to where you just saved your VRM, and then confirm. This is what it looks like. It moves your mouse around when you move that, and keyboard when you type on it. You can also enable a gamepad, move the camera around. There's a lot of different options, so just have a mess around and see what works for you. But here, if you go to window, you can also disable the transparent if you want to have a green screen effect. And right now I'm not using my webcam, so it's working pretty well. So the next program we're going to be looking at is VSeeFace, which is actually a program that I'm using right now. It is also free, and it is really easy to import your VRoid and any other VRM models that you have. I'll also leave the link for this in the description down below. So this is what VSeeFace looks like. Now you'll probably be looking at this screen first. What you want to do is click on add avatar and then navigate to where your VRM file is and add it and then select it. And now this is what it should look like. This is just the basic VRM model with my precision face tracking enabled. And because the bones are automatically done and rigged in VRoid, I can move my hands around. It's also really easy to set up different camera angles and rotate your camera. Just hold down Alt and left click and you can zoom in and out and pan it around. And what you can also do is click on this button here to hide the UI and press space bar to hide the little button there. Now you've got your own VTuber window that you can also preview on your monitor. One more thing to note is that there's a lot of different settings here and there's a lot of customization. So you want to go through and have a mess around with all these things and customize it for your own face. You can also set up different effects such as bloom if you want to have some glowing textures, and also change the color of things, maybe give everything a slight tint. But be careful with these settings because they will put a stronger load on your PC, so keep that in mind if you're going to want to stream. And here's where you find your expression settings, where you can do your different toggles for different expressions. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like the video if this helped you out in any way. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date with some more VRoid tutorials and VTuber tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video.